Welcome back to another Mad Aussie Adventures episode.
We are off to the Great Ocean Road and we haven't booked anything. We're just winging it again and see how we go. Wish us luck. See you on the road.
Definitely.
Loved it.
Yeah, well, the Razorback was better than the 12 Apostles.
Oh, yeah. That was my favourite.
Oh, what is it? 4 Apostles.
They've dwindled away, haven't they? Wow. It's been a long time since we've been there.
Oh, well, the first time we seen the 12 Apostles, it was like...
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Was it?
And this time, yeah, it just wasn't the same.
Yeah.
But Razorback was... I was very impressed with Razorback.
Gibson Steaks.
It's very appropriate, isn't it?
We walked all that way and we could have driven here and come to the car park. That's okay, it's all good exercise. Next we'll be taking off to the Otway. Don't know where we're going to stay. We're just, like we said, we're just winging it, so we're just going to head off.
Yep.
Hopefully we can find somewhere. We're just going to be start to be a bit careful now where we can get the caravan into, like with the roads.
Where are we, Anya?
Apollo Bay.
Apollo Bay.
Just arrived, trying to find accommodation.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's not good. So we've rocked up in Apollo Bay. Can't find any accommodation or anything at the moment. So, oh well. We're looking for farm stays or anything. Looks like it might be another night in the one of the rest stops.
Guess what? We found accommodation!
Yay!
Thanks to the lady in the Visitor Information Centre. She rang ahead to Bimby Park. So, I'm going to go there. Not sure how many nights we'll spend there, but we'll check it out. Yeah, so here we come, Bimby Park. And it didn't even show up on our, what do you call it? What do we use? Our wiki cams.
No, it didn't.
But, so, since then though, I've had to search on Google and gem by the looks.
Still off grid. Still off grid bush camping sort of thing.
Yeah.
But it's in a really nice area by the looks.
Well, in a great area because it's basically you're in the middle of the Otway, so it's going to be another great base camp for us.
Near a lighthouse that we must go and have a look at as well. There's your putt-putt. We're heading in here, yeah. There's your rock climbing.
Have a look at it.
There's your office up there.
Anya, where have you been? Oh, you idiot. Oh, I can't believe they let you just pick up loose wood around this joint. I wonder where you went.
I think if you've got a decent chainsaw, there's heaps of logs just laying around.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? Oh, that's my girl.
So what do you got there, Gibbo?
Whippersnapper. It's me chainsaw.
It's the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Well, that looks all right.
Oh, looks like I might be all right.
Obviously just to get us out of trouble. Oh. Teaspoon everything.
What do you want to do? Try something a bit bigger.
Yeah, alright. Let's test this out. That does all right. That's incredible. Oh my goodness. Have a look at show us the blade. The size of the blade. Wow.
I've got it loose though. I'm going to have to tighten it.
Yeah.
The blade's gone a bit loose on me.
That's impressive. That is very impressive. Yeah. So what are they?
It's just compressed rough.
Oh yeah.
Compressed sawdust or something, I think.
Okay. How lovely is it to have a fire in the middle of summer?
Excellent, excellent.
So the nights are quite cool in the Otway rainforest.
Now, this is how my wife gets into the fridge. Good on you, Anya.
Not my best angle.
No, it's not bad from here. You, next Christmas I'll buy you a pair of stilts. As long as it works, that's all that matters. What do you reckon, mate?
That what?
Pretty cool or what?
Top spot.
Isn't
Love it.
Isn't it brilliant?
This is the best off-grid camping I think we've done.
Yeah, well, pretty close. There's mountain bike trails. There's everything's around here. It's beautiful, and we can have a fire in summer.
Horse riding, mini golf, not that whatever, but yeah, right in the middle of the Otway.
Yeah, well, we just pulled up at Mate's Rest. What are we going to do here, Anya?
Oh, we're going to have a forest walk. It looks amazing, and it was only like a 10-minute drive from our camp spot, which was pretty cool. So let's go and explore.
And a nice little drive, bit windy and congested, and oh, you'll see on the video we had to stop for a koala crossing the road. That was pretty cute.
They're everywhere up here, so.
All right, let's go.
All right. Cool, we get to see some dinosaurs as well.
Oh, beauty. I thought they were all extinct.
Mate's Rest, a forest alive with hidden wonders, ancient giants and carnivorous snails that has changed little since the time of the dinosaurs. So a 30-minute circuit, 30-minute circuit, and it's easy.
So there's a circus here. Yeah, beauty.
Oh, look at the size of this. Wow.
So look, it's just falling down over there.
Yeah.
And just crushed everything. And look at that, it's been sawn. Oh, it's probably, it started over here.
Yeah.
It's sawn it through to.
Yeah, across the path.
Oh, so it's just.
Yeah, well, there it is. There it is there.
When you come in here, there's plenty of room for caravan parking. You've got caravan parking right there. So there's a few spots, so we've got no problems at all. It's $59 an adult, which I think is very pricey, but that's not specifically the reason. They've got certain times for bookings. So we've got too many other things. We probably won't be back here, will we?
No, I don't think so.
Whoa, what a hidden little gem. It's all bush, but it's just beautiful.
It's a great,
I love it.
Yeah, it's a great off-camp area.
Yeah.
And it's quite big actually.
Yeah.
I'll show you a little map. When you come in, we just went round at the outskirts, and then right down the very back way is the off-grid area, and yeah, it's a decent sized area.
Well, we haven't even seen it all yet.
No.
So I'm looking forward to seeing it all.
What have they got? They got putt-putt, rock climbing. Now the rock climbing, we found out they have closed off because of liability insurance. I think it was just costing them too much or something. There was an issue there anyway. So that's a shame. Not that I'd go rock climbing, but it's a shame for those that might find that interesting. But they've got like an animal pen and stuff there, just looking at that when we were driving through. So happy days.
Yeah, terrific, eh?
Yeah, so we'll go out exploring.
Yes, might even use this place might stay an extra day or something to try and relax a little bit too.
Yeah, it's nice to
just chill.
Do your chill out time and to explore. I get itchy feet though, don't I?
Yes.
I always want to do something.
Yes.
missed out on seeing the lighthouse. So it's the Otway Lighthouse, Cape Otway Lighthouse, and it's apparently the oldest lighthouse that we've got on our mainlands in Australia, apparently.
Apparently it's worth looking at.
Yeah. So we rocked up. We were around there about 4 o'clock or something. But it's a paid tour, so you got to pay to get in. So it's all locked off. Not like other lighthouses where I just thought we were just free to roam. But not this one. So plan ahead if you do want to check it out. A little bit of trivia for you.
Ooh.
Apparently, there were 3,000 World War I returned soldiers that built the Great Ocean Road. Here it was, you just take things for granted, don't you? Like the machinery's done all the roads and whatnot, and these poor buggers broke their backs to make this road for us, so a new appreciation for it.
Nah, good on them. Like and subscribe to help us try and build our little channel up. That would be much appreciated. Thanks, guys.
See you in the next episode. Bye.